In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a checkbox from a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started by opening your target PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you are using the Desktop Pro version so you have access to the form editing tools we'll need. Once your document is open, we're going to switch into form editing mode. At the top, click the Tools tab in the list of tools. Find and select Prepare a Form. This view is designed specifically for working with interactive fields, so you'll see form elements like checkboxes, text fields, and buttons outlined on the page. This makes it much easier to identify exactly what you are about to change. Now, locate the specific checkbox you want to remove. Click directly on it. When it's selected, it will become visibly highlighted with a bounding box and handles, confirming that Acrobat has targeted that field. If you are working on a crowded form or the checkbox is small, feel free to zoom in so you can click with precision and avoid selecting nearby text or other fields by mistake. With the checkbox selected, it's time to delete it. The fastest way is to press the delete key on your keyboard. That removes the checkbox field from the page. If you prefer using the mouse, you can right-click on the selected checkbox and choose Delete from the context menu. Either method fully removes the interactive checkbox field rather than just hiding it, so it won't be clickable anymore. If you need to remove more than one checkbox at the same time, you can select multiple fields in a single motion. Click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around all the checkboxes you want to remove. You'll see them all highlight together when they're included in the selection. Then, right-click and choose Delete. You can also press the Delete key with multiple fields selected. Take a quick look before deleting to make sure you haven't accidentally included any fields you want to keep. When you are finished, save your changes so they become permanent. Click the Save button in the top right corner of Acrobat. Saving ensures the removed checkboxes won't reappear the next time you open the file and that anyone you share the PDF with will see the updated version. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.